Garden lights. There are artistic lights. You can create your dream city, give people a fairy tale beauty, and make your garden full of fairy tale sunshine. Intelligent light control. Turn on the switch before the first use, then will be charging by sunshine. The light will automatically turn on at night, and the operation is simple and convenient. High-quality LED lights. Warm white LEDs are hung on delicate copper wires, and the slight breeze brings movement. The effect creates a unique focal point in your dark garden and makes your garden unique. Easy to install. Just connect the knob to the plunger. Then hang the lamp on the hook and insert it on the grass. No need to connect wires and quick installation. Suitable for. The light is not only suitable for daily decor at home or in the garden, but also can be used at weddings and parties to create a warm and romantic atmosphere.